Good afternoon to all. This is Team 6. We are here to explain our project called Vignan. My name is Akshay Kumar, roll number is 7381. These are our friends of Team 6.
My name is Bani, 7390 AIML.
My name is Larry, 78. My name is Rashmi, 78.
In India, many of the students are achieving their goals by the help of many lectures and many reference ideas. We are here to implement our project for the people who can't get the facilities and who can't even achieve their goals with their facilities. And in India, many of the people were learning, and most of them are trying to achieve goals. For example, IIT JEE and NEET exams. More than 12 lakhs of the students will appear to the JEE mains, and more than 20 lakhs of the students will appear to the NEET examinations. In India, most of the 70% were in below poverty line. So every student can't get the facilities to learn the exact way of the top 30% will get, and they can't achieve their goals due to their poverty line. And our plan to achieve their goals are to crack the entrance examinations. Here we are planning to give the students a proper plan, like collaborating with all the people together and study in a group wise or study in collaboratively.
Okay. To tackle the issue, we are going to implement a interface, that is a web application, in which we are inscripted the for examinations. They are IIT and NEET, UPSC and GATE, in which every examination folder has its respective syllabus with their related topics, in which it allows a notes and enter room option for it. So in which by this way the people can collaboratively learn it together by entering the rooms, as the interface allows notes option and enter room option. By these notes we can get through the deep conceptual understanding of a particular topic, and let's go for the room. It will get the access to enter the it allows the students to enter the room and learn together by clarifying their doubts and get suggestions how to get to the particular specified concept in detail.
There are already many existing solutions for this to overcome this problem. There are online apps like Topper and Doubtnut and Byju's. Coming to the Doubtnut, it's an online educational platform where it mainly focuses on resolving the doubts of the students, which are posted using image resolution technique. And Topper is also an online educational platform where it provides the students with the personalized study plans, and also provides with the recorded classes and helps in clarifying their questions. And Byju's is also the most widely used app by many students to get their doubts clarified, and they also host the live classes and they provide their study plan. But Byju's needs subscription to enable its features. And
this web application is used for students.
Start.
This web application is used for students clarify their doubts and each other with real-time experience and share their notes to each other. User-friendly interaction and collaboration. Easy access to online and
methodology. Our proposed solution is Vignan, a knowledge sharing platform. Here, the group of students of similar doubt will enter into a room and discuss among themselves. Rather, being in isolated grasping knowledge, we feel harder to study. But in this Vignan concept, we are learning in an easier way. We feel free to express our views. The one who knows the concept more will explain to the others and improve himself or herself, and the one who listens will gain the knowledge. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So coming to the gap in the existing solution. So we propose the Vignan as a virtual platform which keeps the needs of the students. So in order
before this, there are many existing solutions such as Doubtnut, Topper, and Byju's and Unacademy. Topper, Byju's, Doubtnut, Unacademy. So these are the existing solutions in the real technology life.
Start.
In these platforms, there are some limited opportunities for the students, which does not satisfy the facilities. I mean the total needed facilities.
Start.
These proposed solutions, these solutions cannot make the students to meet their achievements, and there are many gaps in the existing solutions such as isolation in the learning, limited interaction, and there is no accurate answer for the student doubt raised. The disadvantages and gaps in the structure, we proposed a project called as Vignan, so which provides us a virtual platform for the students. So in this the students can able to solution. So it will show it's a website, so which displays the different types of the courses which are going into the website. So it displays about the different types of the courses which are there which are need for the students, so such as IIT, JEE, NEET, GATE, UPSC, and etc. So we should choose one course for it, and we should have to enter our credentials, and we should have to log into it, and we should have to select the course, and we have three options here: enter room, notes, and with respect to the different types of the subjects and topics of the chapter. So we have the maths, physics, chemistry in the IIT JEE joint entrance examination. So we have to enter into the room. So by clicking on it, it redirect to the which we have a large number of information, and we should have a large number of information, and we should have another option here. So that is called as enter room. So by pressing this, we will enter the virtual room which is connected with the many number of the students which are studying together in an isolated room.